To set up Gemini on the Samsung A07, start by opening Google application. Right now click on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Now you will have to go for Gemini, scroll all the way down and select Use Gemini. And as you can see now, the process is finished. Additionally, you are able to set some things like Gemini's voice. There we go. Also, you can find interrupt live responses, languages, talk to Gemini hands-free. So basically you can turn on the Hey Google phrase, and you will have to set this up. So you'll have to repeat all of those phrases that will be shown on the screen to let Assistant recognize your voice. But in this one, I'm gonna actually skip this. And below you can also find some other things like screen context, contact info from other devices, Gemini on the lock screen, and you can also switch the digital assistants from Google.